Welcome back to Lemon Cone. Today we are diving into the world of dry beef chili. A sizzling sensation that will leave your taste buds begging for more. Let's get this flavor-packed journey started. Begin by marinating our succulent beef strips. We have to take 500 grams of beef undercut, which are cut into thin strips. Add ginger garlic paste, salt, chicken powder, black pepper powder, sriracha sauce, soy sauce, cornstarch, all-purpose flour, 1 beaten egg. Blend these ingredients into marinade and let it rest for an hour. While the beef is marinating, let's chop our veggies. Slice the onions into the thick slices, julienne the capsicum, and the green chilies. Remove the seeds and cut them into the beautiful julienne pieces. Also, don't forget the green onion pieces that will give our dish a refreshing twist. Now it's time to give those marinated beef strips a sizzle. Heat up some oil on a low flame and fry the beef for 10 to 12 minutes or until it turns tender and delicious. Once done, set aside. It's time for sauce mixture, which is the secret of this flavorful dish. Here we take ketchup, sriracha sauce, oyster sauce, soy sauce, salt, crushed red chili, vinegar, sesame oil, corn flour, and half cup of water. Mix those ingredients well to ensure a smooth mixture while cooking. For the final act, heat some oil in a pan, add chopped ginger and garlic, saute until their aroma fills the air. Add the green peppers, onion, and capsicum. Giving them a quick stir for just a minute, we want to maintain that delightful crunch. Then add the sauce mixture and the fried beef strips, allowing the flavors to come together in harmony. And there you have it, our dry beef chili that brings together the perfect blend, spice and crunch. Garnish it with the sesame seeds and a handful of green onion leaves. The dish pairs perfectly with fragrant fried rice. Delicious! If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Lemon Cone for more recipes. Thanks for watching our recipe. Keep cooking and keep smiling.